And to tell you more about that, here's Injong Rhee. Thank you.
Thanks, Gayatri. That's a great seg into next topic. I want to talk about opportunity, the kind generations before us could only imagine, thanks to Internet of Things. As you know, there are so many applications for IoT. IoT can help improve world hunger problems with better food tracking. It can save lives at hospitals with remote patient monitoring. It can tremendously improve efficiency of factories by minimizing the downtime. IoT has so many applications that are improving humanity and making our world a better place to live. I've been with Google for about 6 months, and this is one of the reasons that I joined Google to work on IoT. At Google, we've been working on IoT for quite some time. Earlier this year, we launched Cloud IoT Core, Google Cloud Platform for IoT, that allows IoT developers to connect millions of devices around the world to Google Cloud. We have received quite a few positive feedback from our customers. Aker BP, an oil exploration company, is building predictive maintenance solutions to improve safety and reduce downtime in the oil field. Smart parking is reinventing the parking experience. Freight Farm is revolutionizing the way fresh goods are grown and delivered. All of this are possible because of Cloud IoT Core. Complementary to Cloud IoT Core, we see there are emerging needs of edge computing, which is essentially running data analytics and intelligence services at locations where data are collected, or what we call at the edge. This is required because uploading all data to the cloud from sensors can be quite expensive for many use cases, or simply violate data privacy and compliance policies for some customers. Or sometimes the network can be disconnected. Running intelligence services at the edge, network gateways, or end devices is quite challenging because many types of end devices need to be extremely cost and power efficient. Today, we have a solution for this. I'm pleased to announce Edge TPU, Google's hardware accelerator chip for running TensorFlow Lite-based machine learning inference models at lightning speed. It can be combined with a low-cost microcontroller along with the sensors or general-purpose CPU, depending on your budget. Edge TPU is so small that we can fit more than 4, if I can find it in my pocket. It's so small. More than 4 TPU chips onto one penny. Small enough to fit into your smallest sensors. When designing Edge TPU, we are hyper-focused on optimizing for performance per dollar and performance per watt, which is power consumption. Edge TPU will bring a brain to your end devices or everyday things at extremely low cost and high power efficiency, but without compromising performance. I believe this is a game changer. Here's the Edge TPU in action. Edge TPU can be embedded into traffic cameras to analyze real-time traffic. Smart cities with the smart traffic management systems often needs to have thousands of these cameras all over the city. Edge TPU, combined with Google Maps platform, will make this type of initiative feasible because of its low cost, high power efficiency, and high performance. To try Edge TPU, we're making a development kit available in October this year. You don't know how many rabbits I have in my pocket. There's another one. So this is a development kit that we actually made in partnership with the NXP and Microchip, and this is available in October. We're working with our developer and partner ecosystem for building IoT solutions. And I want to thank all our partners. But it's not enough to bring machine learning to the hardware layer. We need a software to run with it. Today, I'm pleased to announce Cloud IoT Edge. Cloud IoT Edge can run on Android things or Linux, and it consists of two components. One is Edge IoT Core, which is basically a gateway functions for faster provisioning, connecting into cloud, and data aggregation and filtering a lot of data pre-processing. And the other is Edge ML, a TensorFlow Lite-based runtime for running ML models at the edge. It is designed to run ML on hardware accelerators like Edge TPU or general-purpose CPUs or GPUs. Cloud IoT Edge is now available in ARPA, and you can sign up for the early access program starting today. Now, I'd like to, well, if you want, you know. Yeah, it doesn't hurt to actually enjoy the moment. Right? So now I'd like to invite a customer on stage that's using our Edge solutions. LG is a technology innovator and a global leader in electronics and consumer goods. And I'd like to welcome Mr. Shingyun Hyun, SVP CTO of LG CNS, to understand how our Edge solutions help LG. Welcome, Mr. Hyun.
Hi.
Long time no see. It's been about 7 minutes.
Right.
Right. So can you give us a sense of complexity and scale of the problem you're solving at LG CNS?
Sure. LG CNS is an IT service company in LG Group, and we are improving the productivity of our manufacturing lines with a smart factory initiative. For instance, LG Chem's glass substrate line is used for manufacturing glass for display panels. Every production line has 5 to 6 inspection processes to check the quality of the product. LG Chem's glass line has to inspect 200 images of the LCD panel within 0.8 seconds. It's not easy. This inspection process has been very labor-intensive work.
Wow, so it's actually the inspecting the LCD panels for defects,
Yes.
and it's very labor-intensive.
Yeah.
So how LG is planning to use Google Cloud IoT and Edge TPU?
Okay. Before Google Cloud, we had our most senior engineers working on improving model accuracy. It used to very time-consuming efforts. After Google Cloud, it took one junior engineer 1 week to get us to 99.9% accuracy on our glass inspection. Now, we use Edge TPU. We put the deep learning models directly into the computer vision system from the cloud to run the models locally. We are able to detect anomalies and imperfections in our glass with much greater accuracy, and more important is speed. This is why I'm so excited with TPU and IoT solutions. This solution will help LG Chemical to save around $1 million per production line per year.
Wow.
We plan to apply this great technology in other production lines like a battery, display panels, and many others. Google AI and Edge TPU with LG CNS Data Analytics Solution, DAP, will provide great value for our customers in smart factory area, I believe.
Wow, that's a great story. I mean, you're getting one junior engineer and to spend 1 week to get to the accuracy level of 99.9%. Wow, that's better than a human being actually doing the inspection, right? And then also,
That's so impressed.
right? And then the saving, on top of that, $1 million per production line per dollar.
That's great.
Per year, and
Yeah, that was great.
that's very impressive. And I really, excited about this partnership. Looking forward to the, working with you in the future. Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank
Hyun.
you.
And so to summarize, I have 3 IoT product announcements today, right? So one was the Edge TPU. Remember that penny, right? It's an accelerator chip for running the TensorFlow light models. And then development kit, and the cloud IoT, the cloud IoT Edge software. And all of this product make Google the only cloud service provider that has an integrated IoT solution with the software and custom hardware stack for implementing machine learning in IoT, in the cloud and at the edge. And this is the future of IoT. I cannot wait to see what we build together in the future. Now, let me welcome back Allison to wrap things up. And thank you for your time.